about 4 kilometers away. That's an oil rig, and I'm gonna try to do a autonomous Waypoint mission using this flying wing with a 30-inch wingspan. It's running a Speedy Bee, a 405 Wing Mini with some generic Chinese VTX that apparently can go up to 2.5 watts. With a little lollipop antenna, 2 cheap 9-gram servos, ELRS receiver, and then a 3S2200. Running a 2205 motor with a 5045 bullnose, 5-inch, and then a cheap BL Heli ESC. Good day. Test flight, September 1st. So I'm just going to put it into oh, it's gonna fly around it.
It's turning around.
Look at that.
I see it there.
It's flying in a circle around the oil rig now. We are currently 3.7 kilometers from home. Perfect. Look at that.
Whoa.
There's the oil rig. Holy crap. I really hope I don't hit it on the way back.
Seemed like you had a pretty good cushion. You got to put those dots far out from it.
I did, yeah.
Good. Looked like
That's
it.
crazy. 3.8 volts. Let's go.
There it goes.
You can see the oil rig.
This is great. You got your camera tilted down at a pretty good angle now.
I'm gonna restart the video recording again.